In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert text to image using Microsoft Copilot. So assuming I'm on my Microsoft Copilot account, I have just logged in. This is collapsible, and you can see I've just logged in from here. And I asked this simple prompt: create an image of a cat eating a rat at a bar with a bottle of Coca-Cola while wearing a hat and sunglasses. And take a look at what it has given me. This fantastic image that you can see over here. This is really, really wonderful. The quality of the image is actually what inspired me to keep using Copilot. You can see the Coca-Cola, you can see the hat and the sunglasses, and a very beautiful rat that it caught. You can download this and you can share as well if you're interested. And the second prompt I gave it was, can you create the image of a cat going into a wall with a donkey in the bush? Let them be carrying a war tool. Okay, so I'll take a look at what it has given me. It gave me this picture, and I think this is wonderful. This is next level. You can see the guns they are carrying and the ammunition they are carrying. And truly, this mode is really a war mode. You can ask any question and you'll be surprised how Copilot is going to give you the answer. Let me ask one more question. Can you create the image of a lion driving a car in the bush? So let's see whether this is going to create that for us. And you can see the wonders that it has created. Yes, Mr. Lion is truly enjoying himself while driving a car in the bush. Okay, so you can go ahead and explore and see how you can use Copilot to your own advantage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like.